Here's a walkthrough of setting up a development environment on Kali Linux for Python development, along with code examples. 1. System setup. Install Kali Linux. Download and install the latest version, either as a primary OS or a virtual machine. Update and upgrade. Ensure all packages are up to date using sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Install essential tools. Verify you have Git, Python 3, and a code editor or IDE, e.g., Vim, Emacs, Visual Studio Code, PyCharm. Install any missing ones using Apartment. 2. Python environment. Check Python installation. Run Python 3 version to confirm Python 3 is installed. If not, install it using sudo apt install Python 3. Virtual environment. Recommended. Create a virtual environment to isolate project dependencies and avoid conflicts. Python 3 MVENV myvenv. Activate it using source myvenv. Bin. Activate. 3. Code editor or IDE. Choose a suitable editor. Consider factors like personal preference, features, and ease of use. Install and configure. Follow the instructions for your chosen editor to set it up on Kali Linux. 4. Git, for version control. Install Git. If not already present, install it using sudo apt install Git. Configure Git. Set your username and email for commits. Git config, global link to user.name, your name, and git config, global user. Email, your email at example.com. Python code example, web request. Explanation. This code sends a GET request to a website and prints the response status code and content. 5. Additional Python libraries. Install libraries as needed. Use pip install less than library _ name greater than to install additional libraries for your projects. Development tips. Organize projects. Use clear folder structures and meaningful file names. Write clean and readable code. Follow Python coding conventions and best practices. Test your code thoroughly. Use unit tests to ensure code correctness and functionality. Debug effectively. Use debugging tools and techniques to identify and fix errors. Seek help and resources. Utilize online tutorials, documentation, and communities for assistance. Remember, security awareness. Be mindful of security practices when developing on Kali Linux, especially if working with sensitive data. Continuous learning. Explore new libraries and techniques to expand your Python development skills.